everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought I would bring you guys along to Ikea with me so we could check out their new holiday collection. I'm really excited because I love Ikea and I love decorating for the holidays, so if they're doing a holiday collection, I'm definitely interested and want to see what they have in store. I want to start getting this house all cozy and ready for the holidays, and I feel like now is the time and we might as well start at Ikea. So let's go ahead, hit up the store and see what they have. Okay, just spotted the first Christmas setup. This is so cute. I can't believe they have Christmas trees here. I wonder how much they are. Oh my god, $15 for a Christmas tree. That is such a good price, even for a little mini one. And I love this little train track idea. I actually bought this train track for my nephew and he loved it. He played for hours with this thing. So that's also a really cute little Christmas gift idea. I think they have like all the little Christmas gifts back here as well, like little toy sets. Yeah, like this. He loved this. I think it was like $12. Oh wait, here are the train sets here and they're actually $9. So if you guys have kids that love trains, these are super simple. They look really minimal, and even just putting it under your Christmas tree like that, it just makes it look so fun and exciting. And they have all of this Christmas wrapping paper here as well. I love this style wrapping paper that looks like craft paper with little patterns. I think that's so pretty. They also have little packs of ribbon, which is super helpful around the holiday season, for $2.99 at different colors that kind of match all of their paper here. I'm actually really loving this set of 3 Christmas trees in all different sizes. This one is $14.99, this one is $49.99, and the middle size one is $29.99. So those are actually probably the best prices I've ever seen on Christmas trees. They're not like the fullest looking Christmas tree, but if this is kind of your style, a little more Scandinavian and minimal, these are a really great option. I love that they just have some red sprinkled around this entire store, so you can just add some little seat cushions to any bar stools or dining chairs that you have to make it look a lot more Christmassy at home. And these are just $4.49. And they have these tiny little Christmas trees. Like, look how little this is. Just fits in the palm of your hand, but I think this would look really cute just in a bathroom to help decorate the little bathrooms and just add a little Christmas touch into there. And these are only $1.99. That is amazing, just to like add a little bit of decor all over your house. I think this is such a cute idea. Wow, or using it as a table setting, just putting it on top of people's plates or in their bowls. It just helps make everything look really Christmassy. Okay, these aren't really holiday pieces, but they're definitely really handy to have in the holiday season. Little bar carts. I don't know about this one. This looks a little hospital-y, to be honest, but I love this one. And it's such a good price, $25 for a bar cart. And you could put drinks on it, appetizers, and just roll it around the room when you have family and friends over. And I think it just makes everything really convenient. Also, another really cute idea, especially because IKEA stuffed animals are pretty affordable, putting a bunch of these cute little cozy stuffed animals under a Christmas tree would just look so exciting, and they can also double as gifts. Like, hello, look how cute that one is. Oh my gosh. Or doing all polar bears under the Christmas tree, or just like around your house would look so cozy and wintry. I feel like that's such a cute idea. They're $14.99 and they're actually pretty big. And you can kind of like put them on your couch, under your Christmas tree, at the front door. I feel like anything white and fluffy during the holiday season just looks really wintry. And especially if you have kids, I feel like they would really love this idea. I'm just in the baking section and they actually have these really cute cupcake holders. Look at that pattern. So Christmassy, so wintry. I love these, and they're $1.99 for a pack of 65. Oh my goodness, they even have a little cake decorating set. Guys, I used to work at a bakery and I love baking and doing cakes. I think I need to get this because it's only $5.99. They have such good prices here, and it comes with one of those cake slicers, a little piping tube, some little piper, whatever tips, whatever they're called, but this looks really cute. I could have a lot of fun with this. Also, if you guys are hosting your first holiday party and you don't have enough glassware or dishes, definitely check out Ikea because they have really good prices, some really cute looking stuff, and if it breaks, it's like not such a big deal because they're like $1.99, $2.99, so these are really good prices and they have so many different styles. Glass domes are perfect for the holiday season. You can just put a bunch of twinkle lights inside, little fairy lights, and it just looks so pretty on top of a table. And these are $7.99. Whoa, that's really moving a lot. But yeah, that would make everything look so cozy and magical. Wow, this is new. It's like a ceramic candle holder. It looks so handmade and pretty. That would look so nice on a mantle or side table. That's really pretty. This is $4.99. These prices here are seriously insane. This is amazing. Ooh, they also have these battery powered candles, pack of 3 again, and they're $9.99 for the whole pack. If you got a bunch of these and put them all together and did like a candlescape, that would be really pretty and less dangerous because they'd be battery operated. Right at the exit, they have all of this Christmas stuff, and they have all these different lights and little plug-in things. Like even this would just be so cute. You could layer a bunch of these stars. And see this idea? That one already comes already made. This is really pretty on top of a mantle or in a kid's room. That looks really cute. I think it lights up because it has a plug. And then these have been all over Ikea, these stars, and I think they're really pretty if you layer them or hang them from the ceiling like they're doing here. I think it just looks so special. Ooh, they also have these mini Christmas trees wrapped with burlap, which looks really cute for a more kind of rustic farmhouse vibe. That looks really pretty. I'm not really too into gnomes or little Christmas men, but this looks really funny and cute if you guys are into that. I didn't realize they sold all this stuff. Ooh, they also have different color ornaments. I didn't realize that until now. I didn't realize everything was downstairs at the exit. Look at all this stuff they have. Love the red. Oh my god, these mini ones. That is so pretty on a tiny tree. Oh my goodness, they have pigs. That's a little different. Oh, I really love these miniature sets. Oh, these ones are really pretty. They look like hand painted. Comes with a little heart. Where is that? Oh, this set here. Love that. And it comes with all the little ties and hooks that you need to hang it up. Only $5.99. These are really good prices. And they have all the silver and blue over here. And they also have clear. Clear is really pretty for a really minimal looking tree. Ooh, sorry, there's so much noise going on down here. These are pretty. Oh my gosh. Very Scandinavian, minimal. That would be really pretty on a tree. Ooh, and they have gold. I didn't see that. Those are really pretty. I think my tree was gold last year. I don't know what I'm gonna do this year. Oh my god, these were kind of scary looking. Look at that. Who would want that hanging from their tree? No offense, but it's a little creepy. Oh, this is really cute. Oh my gosh, it's a little glass container. I love that for $9.99. Very Christmassy. Kind of reminds me of my grandma. She used to have little like candies in trees like this. Alright, so I'm back from shopping at Ikea, and I actually did find some stuff from the holiday collection, and I found some stuff from Ikea's stuff in general, because I really like Ikea things. So I'll show you guys what I got, but before we get started, I just want to say the holiday collection at Ikea is massive. I had no idea what I was walking into today, and there was just so much stuff all over the store. They changed the layouts, they changed the showroom, the marketplace had so much stuff. So they have everything: lights, trees, ornaments, wrapping paper, little details of things and trinkets and everything. So whatever you guys need for a holiday party or anything like that, definitely check out Ikea first, because you're gonna save a lot of money by doing that. But anyways, I'll show you guys what I picked out. First thing that I got were these tiny Christmas trees. Look how cute they are. I just think they add some festivity into anywhere that you put them. You could put them in your bathroom, you know, on the counter with your soap dispenser. I think that would look really festive. Or at Ikea, they were kind of showing it on display on a table setting. So like at a Christmas table setting, everyone had their own little Christmas tree, and I was like, okay, that is so cute. Or you can layer these in with like candles. Oh my gosh. Since I got the tiny Christmas trees, I also liked this little tree as well, and it's still like all together, so you can kind of like fluff it out still, and I could decorate this, put it on a table. But I don't know, I like the look of it. I think it's really like minimal. The green is really soft looking, so I feel like you could put so many trees around your house, just like in every corner, and it will definitely look Christmassy. I could even put some like fairy lights on here, but since it comes with this little plain black pot, I also decided to get this really pretty white ceramic pot. Oh my goodness, I love the pattern on here. I don't know what you would call that. I'm gonna try and do like a close-up so you guys can see it. Ooh, and the next things that I got are one of my favorite things I picked up today. I got these two pillowcases. They're so cozy and wintry and soft. So I got two of these pillow covers because I have so many pillows around the couch, around my house, that are this size. So if I just cover it with this pillow cover, I have a brand new look, and that's such an easy and affordable way of changing up the look of your couch or wherever you have your pillows, your bed. These were not part of the holiday collection. I think they just have these at Ikea in general, so I'm pretty sure you can get them throughout the year, but now is the time, since we want that warm, cozy feeling in our homes. These will definitely help with that. Ooh, I also really loved the holiday stuff in the baking section. I ended up getting these little muffin cups. I love the little pattern on them. I think they're really festive, and I am just like such a baker, so I will definitely be using these, and anytime I find little like fun baking things, I always pick them up because it just makes it so much more exciting. More baking things. Oh, I got my first cookie cutters. I have no cookie cutters here, so I'm so excited. Maybe I'll make some gingerbread cookies or sugar cookies, or just like any cookie and make them the shape of whatever's in here. And I also got this. I don't think this is part of the holiday collection, but I can't believe that Ikea sells things like this. It's a whole like cake, piping, cutting, decorating kit. Like, are you serious? I cannot believe that they sell this. They even have a little scraper to create patterns with your icing. They have a little cutter to make your layers, and a piping tips. Like, I'm gonna go back to my bakery days with this thing. This is gonna make it so much fun. Ooh, and I also got this. I've been wanting one of these for so long, and I love this one from Ikea. It's all black. It's a 3-tier tray, and I think it would be so cute for entertaining decorating, you know, bringing over to a friend's house, and you can have all your desserts on there or all your little cheese and crackers, fruit, whatever you want. But I just love the 3-tier system of it. I love that it's all black. I think it would look so nice on the island here with the Christmas trees and candles, and I think it's such a great entertainer's thing to have. And it's definitely a space saver. I also grabbed 2 of these rib up picture frames. These are obviously not part of the holiday collection, but they are very, very popular at Ikea. I'm sure so many of you guys already have these. But I really love that it's just white since I have these gray walls here. I like that the white would kind of stand out. It also comes with a mat inside. And I got 2 of these because I kind of have a plan with some prints that I'm going to put in here. So yeah, every time I need frames, I always go to Ikea because they're so much more affordable. These 2 frames were $14.99 each, and for a size that's this big, that's a really, really good deal. So I grabbed 2 of these white ones, and you guys are going to have to see where these are going to go up in the house when I start doing my decorating videos around here. And the last thing that I picked up, not part of the holiday collection, but it's going to help me with all my decorating, I got the Ikea Drill. Just because mine died, we lost the charger, you know, whole ordeal. I just decided to pick up a really easy to use drill. I hope it's easy to use. It has all the pieces in it. It has a charger, drill bits, all that stuff. And I think it's gonna be just a simple little get the job done tool. So that's everything I got from Ikea today. I didn't go too all out. I didn't even expect to get any of this stuff. I just wanted to go to Ikea today to check out their holiday collection and ended up getting some really cute items. I'm loving these trees, loving these textured pillows, my new picture frames, my tray, my baking stuff. Oh, it's just all so good. So you guys definitely have to check out their holiday collection if you're all about that as well. Let me know down below if you guys started decorating for the holiday season at your house. I know it's still November, but I already feel like I'm behind. The stores change so quickly. All the winter stuff is out and I'm like, I must be behind. I don't have any of my Christmas stuff out yet. So let me know down below if you guys started decorating your house or if you're waiting for December. And if you enjoyed watching today's video, definitely give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And if you guys haven't already, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you never miss an upcoming video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.